How a Geiger counter works and why it makes that crackling noise when it detects radiation. Radiation is made of high-energy particles. These particles are energetic enough that they can knock electrons off atoms. This is called ionization. This is why radiation can harm you. It can break up chemical bonds inside your body, including breaking up your DNA. Geiger counters have a tube filled with gas inside them. There's a high voltage between two electrodes inside the tube. When a particle of radiation passes through the tube, it knocks electrons off some of the atoms of gas. These electrons knock electrons off other atoms in a cascading reaction. These loose electrons make the gas conduct a pulse of electricity for a brief fraction of a second before the electrons recombine with their atoms. The characteristic click of an old Geiger counter is the sound of that pulse of electricity being fed into a speaker, probably through some sort of amplifier circuit, as the actual amount of electrical current is very small. Some modern radiation detectors instead use a photodiode, which is much cheaper than a Geiger tube, but the principle is similar. The component conducts a pulse of electricity when radiation hits it, which can then be used to make a click sound, flash a light, or feed into some kind of counting circuitry.